Number 1.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, well-kept truck with 127,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with a 5.7L Vortec V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it runs on gasoline. The truck is finished in white on the exterior with a gray interior, and it holds a clean title in hand. Mechanically, it runs strong with no check engine light, passes smog with ease, and has up-to-date tags. Recent maintenance includes a brand new fuel pump and a serviced rear differential completed just last month. The truck shifts smoothly, shows no oil leaks, and doesn't burn coolant or oil. It rides on a fresh set of Vario Racing 15x11 wheels wrapped in Cooper Cobra Radial GT 295/50 or 15 tires, giving it a bold stance. Upgrades also include new coilover rear shocks, full window tinting, and an Apple CarPlay touchscreen radio. Inside, the cabin is in very good condition, with solid seats and a crack-free dashboard. The air conditioning will need attention, as there may be a leak somewhere, but overall, the Chevrolet 1500 remains in great condition, ready to drive and enjoy.
Number 2.
1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,000, finished in blue with a black interior. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It has been in the family for decades, originally belonging to the owner's great-uncle, who has cherished it as his pride and joy for the past 30 years. He is the truck's second owner, and aside from a few tasteful upgrades, the Sierra remains largely original. The factory bench seat was replaced with upgraded seats and a center console for added comfort, while the original 4.3L motor is still under the hood, running strong.
Recently, the plugs, wires, and ignition control module were replaced, ensuring smooth performance.
The truck also features a cowl hood, a hardtop tonneau cover, and side exhaust, although there is a slight exhaust leak believed to be near the manifold gasket.
Number 3.
1985 Dodge W150, price $5,000. This truck shows 127,000 miles and comes equipped with a carbureted 318 V8 paired to a durable 727 automatic transmission. Finished in green with a tan interior, the truck presents well inside, with the cabin remaining in nice shape for its age. It runs and drives great, offering the dependable performance these classic Dodge pickups are known for. While the truck is solid overall, there is some rust in the bed, and the wheels show rust even though the tires themselves are still in good condition. It is fitted with heat but does not have air conditioning. Running on gasoline, this W150 offers both character and capability, making it a strong example of a classic 4x4 that is still ready for the road. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,800. The truck is a bold classic pickup finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, giving it a strong and timeless appearance. Under the hood, it is powered by a 454 big block engine paired with a 4L80E automatic transmission, delivering plenty of muscle for the road. The truck is also equipped with a 14-bolt rear end in 3.73 gears, ensuring durability and dependable performance. While it does not come with air conditioning and could use some TLC, this Chevy 1500 stands as a solid foundation with great potential for restoration or customization, making it an appealing choice for enthusiasts who appreciate classic American trucks.
Number 5.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,800, one-owner truck with a clean title and current registration already paid. Showing 140,000 miles, it is powered by the reliable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong performance and smooth driving. The truck remains all original, wearing its factory silver exterior with a gray interior that has been cared for over the years. Inside, it offers practical comfort with features such as power windows and locks, air conditioning, and a tilt steering wheel. These options make it convenient for everyday use while still holding onto the classic late 80s Chevy pickup feel. Although the paint shows some fading from age, the truck runs and drives excellently and has proven itself to be dependable. With its originality, solid mechanical condition, and overall clean history, it makes an ideal choice for anyone seeking a perfect daily driver or a well-preserved classic truck.
Number 6.
1992 Chevrolet S10, price $2,950, equipped with a 4.3L V6 engine and an automatic transmission, shows 130,000 actual miles on the odometer. This truck runs smoothly, shifts properly, and drives confidently, making it a dependable option that can be taken just about anywhere. On the road, it feels both smooth and quiet, with a frame that remains in excellent condition, free of rust, while the body does show some typical wear for its age, including rust on one cab corner, a few scattered spots, a rusted rear bumper, and some peeling clear coat with faded paint and dings. Despite these cosmetic flaws, the truck presents well and can shine up nicely with a bit of care. The tires are in fair condition, ensuring it remains roadworthy. Inside, the gray interior has held up quite well overall, though the headliner is sagging and the seat has a few splits from age.
Number 7.
1995 Ford F-150, price $5,990, finished in bold red with a matching red interior, represents the legendary durability and no-nonsense design that made this generation of Ford trucks an icon. Powered by the dependable 4.9L inline-six engine, this model is celebrated for its longevity and smooth performance, paired with an automatic transmission that ensures effortless driving. With rear-wheel drive, it delivers solid handling and a strong, reliable power delivery. Inside, the truck features the classic XL trim, offering a simple yet functional design. The durable interior was built with practicality in mind, providing a spacious cab and straightforward controls that highlight Ford's focus on utility. Its clean lines and unmistakable 1990s styling continue to turn heads, blending ruggedness with timeless appeal.
Number 8.
1982 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,900, finished in white with a tan interior, it maintains a timeless look that is both simple and appealing. The truck is currently running and driving with no issues, making it a reliable choice for cruising or everyday use. Under the hood, it is powered by a low-mileage GM Goodwrench 350 crate motor paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission.
This combination provides smooth shifts and excellent performance on the road.
For enthusiasts who appreciate originality, the truck also comes with its original engine included in the sale. As an Arizona truck, it benefits from a completely rust-free body and frame, a rare find for a vehicle of this age. It runs on gasoline and is accompanied by a rebuilt or salvage title.
Number 9.
1978 Ford F-150, price $9,500. The truck has 81,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean California title, with tags valid through June 2026. It is equipped with a 351M V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and features an original short bed design. The exterior is finished in white with a black interior, and it was originally built as an AC truck. The vehicle has not been running for a few years, but the motor is not seized. With a new battery and a bit of starting fluid, it will turn over. However, it will need a carburetor rebuild, a full tune-up, a fresh battery, a radiator rebuild, and brake repairs before being roadworthy again. Because of its condition, it will need to be transported by tow truck or trailer.
Number 10.
1971 Chevrolet C10, price $5,500. The truck starts, runs, and drives around a parking lot, though it has not yet been taken out on the street. It has been fitted with airbags, a tank, and new compressors, as well as a solid old-school C-notch and shaved door handles, giving it a custom touch. Under the hood, it carries an '88 Chevrolet Camaro engine paired with an automatic transmission, both of which are operational. The truck is being sold as a project and will need a full restoration, including paint, upholstery, and general mechanical work, before it can be relied on as a daily driver. At present, the fuel tank needs to be cleaned and hooked up, as the engine is currently running off a gas can. 3 of the tires are in good condition, while one will need replacing.